I'm actually late. My morning lateness. We're gonna be recording some tunes. We're going to be recording guitar on a song that I've been working on. And hopefully I'll actually go through with all of it. But yeah, Trish is recording guitar for me on this song. And I need to go over there right now. I've been taking a long time, but I've been having a lot of issues getting ready and finding my stuff. I lost like all my stuff. I hid it all from myself. So let's go do this.
Right? It's very Paramore.
What was that deal you mentioned?
$34.99.
I heard you say it, and
It's
then
$34.99, and then it goes up from there.
My chair's so squeaky. As a church, we're reading this devotional book about cultural humility. It's quite interesting. It was written by someone who goes to our church. I'm not sure what church he goes to though. Minneapolis church. His name is Michael Burns. It's interesting. It raises interesting questions that I'm not used to hearing. It is so hot. At least the inside of me car. The inside of me car is a bit hot. Get out me car. This thing's broken, by the way. Sorry if it offends anyone. It offends me, that's why I assume that it offends others as well. Ooh. Why do I need to vlog me driving? I don't know. I don't. I put my blinker on and make something a little better. Oh, well, I can't get in that lane now. Well. Okay, now I'll get over. Wow. That was stressful. So I'm going to the park. And I just realized that I forgot my bug spray. I'm going like in the trails amongst the woods. The last time I went, I was having some issues with mosquitoes. That's why. Ooh, it actually is worth driving back to go get that. But I'm actually just gonna see if there's something in my trunk. Other than the traffic, the cars driving by, this is a pretty peaceful area. Butterflies. It is a lot nicer right now than it usually is. It's usually a lot more humid and hot. But there's a nice little breeze. Usually there's deer here too. I don't see any. See, I don't have a problem with other people. I don't. I truly do admire the human ability to engage and interact and to create things. But I'd rather, ew, okay, there's poop. A fresh poop. What can that mean? Yeah, I'd rather not be in close proximity with other humans if I don't have to be. I feel like everyone's like that though, right? Right? Not that interesting. I hear something up there. I'm already sweating through my Pokemon shirt. Is it just me? Or have you been noticing lizards everywhere? Not just in this forest, obviously, because that's where wildlife lives. But I've just been noticing these ginormous lizards everywhere I go. OMG. This is actually incredible. And make sure it's recording. Cardinals symbolize God to me. Usually when I'm asking God something or I'm like really deep in prayer outside somewhere, there's always a cardinal that comes in my vicinity. I would zoom in on it, but there's like no way. Oh, it flew. It flew away, I think. Too much sound. Gotta start doing some lunges, some squats. Isn't that embarrassing? When you're bending down at a grocery store to look at something on the aisle, and then you have to get back up and you're struggling. Those are the things I think about. What do you think about when you're at a grocery store? Leave them in the comments below. Wait, is that it? Oh, a blue jay. A blue jay. We've spotted a blue jay. Blue jays are other important birds. I mean, all birds are important, sure. But blue jays... Okay, this is not helping. I'm so sorry. I should just call this bird watching. That's what I should call this. It sounds like a baby. How extra should I be right now? I'm going to intentionally go down this way so I can safely put this down. I was thinking, what if the dinosaurs never actually left? They just got smaller. What if they're all just shrunken little lizards? Honey, it is hot. I have no real reasoning for what I was doing other than, what is this? What are this? I don't have any real reasoning as to why I was doing what I was doing, other than I needed something different. I just needed a little bit of change. Although, one thing I would change, one thing I would have done differently is brought mosquito spray, mosquito repellent. And I knew I should have brought it, I just completely forgot. Because I can only go so far into the trails without starting to get bitten up by mosquitoes. Because of the forest, it starts getting taller, the grass starts getting taller, and I haven't made it past a certain point yet because of that. Sure. Who cares?